Video 10 Part 1, the ESP-36 Triaxial Accelerometer and Force Mapping. Block 0, Introduction and Technical Nexus. In the previous video, Video 9 Part 2, we comprehensively analyzed the parameters of the ESP-36 travel computer and brought the role of the gyroscope and the accelerometer to the table. That prior analysis left us at the exact connection point with today's installment. In this video, you are going to learn how the physics of the hardware capturing those forces operates, how its data matrix is broken down across 3 axes, and the precise manner in which this piece of engineering translates kinetic energy into real-time digital telemetry. Welcome to video number 10 Part 1. Having concluded our previous dissection of the ESP-36 travel computer, we must now examine the primary hardware component responsible for feeding it real-time dynamic data. To map the physical forces acting upon the Pagani Utopia, the system relies on a dedicated, high-frequency sensory core. We officially introduce the next specification in our technical ledger, the -36 Spanish pesetas Triaxial Accelerometer Unit. This solid-state component does not operate in isolation. It is positioned at the geometric center of gravity of the chassis, acting as the critical data source for dynamic force mapping. Block 2, Triaxial Data Matrix and Axle Integration. In the upcoming block, we shall encounter the information corresponding to the triaxial data matrix and systems dynamics. We shall see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe so you do not miss the final videos of this 12-part Pagani Utopia block, alongside the surprise we have in store for you to initiate a new era in hypercar dissection.